Hello everyone, I am starting a video this week doing a week in workouts. I'm going to be going on a run. I'm going to go for another run. So I'll be taking you along probably Monday to Sunday, letting you know basically what workouts I do. I'm off from work for the first 3 days this week, so this isn't necessarily my exact what I do every week. I change it up all the time. This morning I'm actually not feeling very well. I don't think I slept very well yesterday. We spent the day at the beach and it was very warm when we got back and we had the fan on, and I woke up just my ears are kind of ringing, and I feel like I will be getting a headache if I don't just kind of start moving and hydrating myself. Being a Monday is most people's most motivated day, but for me I'm not, because I'm not feeling very well. I'm not as motivated, but I'm here to show you guys that even if you aren't motivated, you can still do something, you can still move, just to start to help you feel better in yourself, not even just to gain some muscle or to lose some fat or anything. It's really why I'm doing all of this movement things, is just so that I feel better day to day. Something I have learned with home workouts is you can pretty much find any type of workout on YouTube. So I literally just looked up not feeling well yoga. So yeah, that is what I'll be doing first. On YouTube, I'll leave the links to the videos down below. The one that I just did, they're about to go into what they call shavasana, so like the cool down, but I feel like I need to do a bit more of a stretch out before I do that, so I might look to do something else as well. I found one that's like an unmotivated yoga session. Even though I am motivated to do something, I just don't really feel good, so I feel like it'll be like a slow start. So let's do that as well. It is Tuesday today. I'm feeling a lot better than yesterday. I did want to go for a run, but I don't want to overdo myself if I didn't feel good, because even after I moved and everything yesterday, pretty much the whole day was a write-off. I was going to look to do some sort of like yoga or Pilates or something, but I found on YouTube like a 30-minute ab and booty workout. So I'm going to see how I go with that. Wednesday workout today, so I'm going to be going on a run. If you want to follow my running journey, make sure to follow my Instagram down below. After my morning routine little series, I will be doing a running series, so you can check a bit more on this. We'll see each other for my next workout. Friday today, I'm going to be doing a 20-minute full body yoga. Yesterday I forgot to film, but I just did like a quick 15-minute stretch / yoga just after my runs and everything, just to stretch out my muscles. So I'll put the link to that one down below still, but I just didn't film any of it. Enjoy my yoga. Sunday, last day of the week, so this is my last workout. I'm going to go for another run, and that has pretty much been my week. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see another video like this for another week when I am fully back at work, then give this video a like, let me know. If you have any workout recommendations, definitely comment them down below. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.